Hello guys, good evening. Today we're going to learn how to solve acceleration using different types of formula. So, you guys may know the typical formula, which is um, A is equals to VF minus VI over T. Some other formulas would be D is equals to 1 half of AT squared, or VF squared is equals to VI squared plus 2AD. So depending on the given of the question, you can get the answer using these equations. First here. So let's say in this problem, the final velocity is 100 meters per second. The initial velocity is 0 meters per second, and the time that is 5 seconds. To change the values, A is equals to no, A is equals to 100 meters per second minus 0 meters per second over 5 seconds. Simplify 100 meters per second over 5 seconds. So, kailangan divide ang seconds. Kaysa nga mag-cancel out, squared. 200 divided by 5 is 20. Copy the meters times the seconds. Meters squared. This is the easiest of the formulas because you already have acceleration as its first, as its value of being founded. The value that we're trying to find. But in the next example, we will see that acceleration is not the value that we're trying to find. So let's make an given about this formula. So to find acceleration, we need to find it. So acceleration would be our value that we're trying to find. And then distance is 1000 meters. And then time is equals to 5 seconds. Okay, now change the values. Actually, we need to derive the formula first. So D is equals to 1 half of AT squared. So to get out 1 half and T squared to find A, we need to multiply both sides by 2. 1 half is cancelled by 2. Then 2D is equals to AT squared. Divide both sides by T squared. Cancel. 2D over T squared is equals to acceleration. Now we change the values. So it will become 2 times 1000 meters over 5 seconds squared is equals to A. then equals to 2 times 1,000, 2,000 meters over 25 seconds squared. So 200 meters by 25 seconds. Wait. Apat, walo. So 80. So it will be 80 meters per second squared.